You're way too beautiful, girl.
Kingston rocketed to fame when he was only 17 years old.
So this is another sad story. This is the rise and fall of Jamaican superstar Sean Kingston, as Sean Kingston and his mother face up to 20 years in federal prison for several federal charges. Let's talk about it. So this is yet again another feel-good Hollywood story without a happy ending. So this is the story of Sean Kingston. So Sean Kingston with a Jamaican single mom, and Sean Kingston had a rare opportunity to have one of the biggest songs ever written, Beautiful Girl. And that song, back in the days, you could not go anywhere in the world without hearing that song. That song is one of the biggest songs ever. And Sean Kingston, over the years, we have seen Sean Kingston living this lavish lifestyle. And this is yet another story about a child superstar getting that much money at the age of 17, not having a parent strong enough to keep you accountable. And now we are seeing that Sean Kingston and his mom that was supposed to be the adult in the room, they are now facing 20 years in federal prison. So this is a story coming out of Miami, and this is a report from CBS Miami. Let's take a look.
A fraud trial for rapper Sean Kingston and his mother now underway in Fort Lauderdale. The pair accused of cheating multiple victims out of payments for everything from high-end cars to jewelry to TVs. CBS News Miami's Joan Murray has been watching the whole thing play out in court, and she joins us live with the testimony from victims today. Joan?
And Lauren, right now on the stand is a watch dealer who said he is out hundreds of thousands of dollars because of money never paid. And that was only the beginning of the charges against Sean Kingston.
Somebody call 911.
For rapper Sean Kingston, the music is skipping a beat while he fights criminal charges in federal court, along with his mother, Janice Turner.
No, it's a breach of contract. There's no fraud here. There's no organized fraud at all.
That's what Kingston's lawyer told us after his Southwest Ranch's rented mansion was raided, his mother arrested, and Kingston, whose real name is Keshawn Anderson, was jailed in California and sent back to Florida.
Mr. Anderson, good afternoon, sir.
Kingston and his mother are accused of theft and fraud in the state case, not paying for expensive jewelry, cars, and an elaborate home entertainment system. In the federal case, prosecutors accused the two of fake wire transfers of money to pay for the goods. In federal court, Ariel Mateus, who installed an elaborate home entertainment system, said he was promised time and again the payment would be wired. He even received a Novo payment, prosecutors say never happened, and he finally conceded, "We knew they were not going to pay us."
You're way too beautiful, girl.
Kingston rocketed to fame when he was only 17 years old. While still working to keep his music going, he is now fighting to clear his name.
Yes, so that's the news coming out of CBS Miami. And as I said, this is very sad because not many people get this opportunity. There are a lot of people out there that want to be a celebrity, that are going around every day trying to sing and make it in Hollywood. And at 17 years old, Sean Kingston had that opportunity, as I said, with one of the biggest songs in the world. And now to see him and his mom that should have been the adult in the room, facing federal charges. And I think a lot of Jamaicans could have seen this coming, because I remember a few years ago when Sean Kingston went back to Jamaica and he purchased this lavish home and this house on the hill with several different $1 million vehicles. And we saw a police raid that came to the house, and they put all of those cars on tow truck, and they towed those cars away. And there's like a lot of rumors about, Sean Kingston not having enough money to live up to that lavish lifestyle. But he came out on social media saying, no, like they only came because the cars were parked up and they had to come and service them. So from then we could have seen what was about to happen with Sean Kingston and this lavish lifestyle that he's living.
But bless. What was it? I don't know what I'm gonna wake up to, but bless. What's that? Cuzzo, what you on, gang? Bless, man, for real. God is amazing. That's that new Maybach. Oh, shit. That's that Wraith. Damn. That's that Rolls Royce Wraith. That's the new crib. You know what I'm saying? Please do not leave no negative comments in my shit. Please do not send me nothing while I go on a job. I don't care. We have.
Here at Carib 21, I'm on a mission to showcase the vibrant culture and the breathtaking beauty of the Caribbean while showcasing our culture and what is trending. If you want to support me on this mission, please subscribe. And if you also want to support, you can hit the comment section and buy me a cup of coffee. In order to buy me a cup of coffee, you can follow these instructions. Just click more. You will see the link to buy me a cup of coffee. Click the link. You can purchase 1 or 2 cups of coffee and you'll be helping me to fulfill this mission. Thank you. So we're just going to continue to watch and see what is going to happen in terms of sentencing if both Sean Kingston and his mom are going to get maximum time in prison. And that, as I said, this is what they're looking up to 20 years, maximum 20 years in prison. And this is just the beginning of the case. So they could actually face more. Or if, if Sean Kingston is going to do the time or his mom is going to do the time, and one of them will be able to walk free. But guys, sound off in the comment section and let me know your thoughts on this whole thing with Sean Kingston and his mom facing 20 years in federal prison. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.